I'm going to try out a Japanese restaurant in Hughes Landing. I heard it's one of the best restaurants, and the name is Bluefish. Let me show you guys. This is the one. Let me see what is inside. And this is the menu, and these are the options. I'm thinking I'll go with this one, or this one. This is how it looks inside. And they just got me this. I have no clue of what this is, but I'm not gonna try it. Sure. And this is the chicken teriyaki, the Japanese dish, and this is how it looks. It's brown rice at the bottom, some vegetables in the middle.
Is it picture worthy?
Yep, it's good. It looks
Everything good?
Yep.
Awesome.
So this is a leftover. Not able to finish everything, but I had a majority of it. So yeah, it was very good, amazing.